Hey, I'm going to show you how to create your own map from Google and to draw on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open up that link I posted above. Notice that it's google.com/maps/d/u/0. So it's not just Google Maps regular. You're going to have to make sure you're at the right site. When you do, you're just going to hit create a new map. Okay. And now you could either, if you're doing something for the whole world, you could zoom out, or if you're doing something just for the United States, you could zoom in or get as close as far as you wanted. One of the first things you'll do is give your thing a title. So I'm just going to call this one practice map, but you'll probably name it after your project. All right, now you have to pick some cities. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually add the location to each city. So up here, add marker. So I'm going to add a marker. Let's see, mine is going to have Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in it. And maybe I will start in Wilmington, North Carolina. And then I will also want, I'll go ahead and do Las Vegas. All right, now I'm only going to do 3 for the sake of this video, but make sure you do all of yours. Now, in order to draw your maps, you're going to come up here to this little tool, looks with the 3 dots. You can click draw a line. All right, now all you do is take your mouse, click on it, and connect it. One more click. Now this is where you can add the weights to your lines, which is your Priceline ticket. So I'm just going to pretend I did some research and say, hey, that cost $329. If you wanted to give it more information, you could do it down there and hit save. All right, then I'll do it again, add another line from Las Vegas to Wilmington and click. I'm going to say that's a little cheaper. That's $290. All right. And let me do one more line just for practice. From Pittsburgh to North Carolina, click. And that's going to be $356. Okay. So now we've got how to place a marker and how to draw lines. Notice that all your markers are up here, your lines are here. If you wanted to change them to a different color, you can change them to whatever custom colors that you want. You could kind of play with the settings here and make them a little more colored. You can preview it by clicking on the eyeball to see what it'll look like to the public. Then after that, we definitely want to share this. So you're going to hit share, and you're going to make sure that anybody with the link can see it because you want it to be able to be graded. So anyone with the link, and then click save. Now this is the link up here. This is the one that you're going to copy and paste into your project. So hopefully that helps you create your own map.